40 regional broadcasters and technicians over the weekend were exposed to procedures of operating and managing their stations and provide quality programming.
More than 40 regional broadcasters drawn from regions 1, 6, 7, 8, and 9 and the Voice of Guyana in region 4 are participating in the first ever regional radio conference being held at the Arthur Chong Convention Center in Georgetown. In his opening remarks, Prime Minister Moses Nagamootoo spoke of the silent revolution of radio broadcasting in Guyana. He also pointed to the fact that for the first time in the history of national broadcasting, radio has been carried to the wider hinterland.
We have now brought to the attention of the world that there are 9 peoples who were formerly locked away in what they used to call the bush or the jungles, and that they could communicate to the rest of the world in their own languages. That's a revolution, although it has been a silent revolution. And I realize that we could have never spoke to the issue of an interactive media in Guyana while most of our people who live in remote areas, in the hinterland areas, have been cut off from the voices of the city.
Over the next 2 days, the broadcasters will be exposed to procedures governing how to operate and manage their respective radio stations and guided in preparing quality programs. Recognizing the importance of communication to the development of the hinterland peoples, the coalition government, on assuming office in 2015, set out to establish radio stations in all of the hinterland regions. Villages are now connected through community radio stations established in Mabruma in Region 1, Oriala in Region 6, Bartica in Region 7, Madia in Region 8, and Aishalton and Letham in Region 9. From the Arthur Chong Convention Center in Linendal with videographer Tejpal Berjmahan, I am Senika Thorne for InfoHub.